Hey Jason, what are the top 3 preventatives to keep my truck out of the shop?
So if you own a 6.7 Power Stroke, one of the biggest things you can do is do the S&S DCR conversion kit or an Exergy fuel regulator. And then you need to do the crankcase filter. There's an updated one that is pretty much maintenance free. That's a big thing. And then just adding a good fuel additive. Here in Utah, we've got a great company called XPD, and they make a great product. We sell it. If you need some, you can come down, buy it. We'll sell you some. But yeah, those are the 3 things that are gonna keep your 6.7 Power Stroke out of the shop. If you need any of those, give us a call, 801-318-2981. Thanks, bye.